Okay, now in this video I want to talk about, is scalping better or is swing trading better in Forex? But if you're brand new to this channel, please consider subscribing. I do put out a couple of videos each and every week to help you move forward in your Forex journey. So, scalping and swing trading. They're basically two different animals, if you like. Personally, for me, I'm a day trader slash swing trader. So I will stay in a trade from anywhere from a day or two to a week or two, depending on the setups that I see. If you're a scalper, scalpers want to be in and out of the market as quickly as possible. They don't want to be in trades, they just want to get in, quick profits and get out again. Now, for me, scalping is just way too stressful. The market just moves too quickly. Let's just come down to a 1 minute chart. And let's just, as I say, you can see the market moving here. Each one of these candlesticks on this chart is a 1 minute candle, so a 1 minute time frame. Now, if you're scalping, firstly, for me, I find it very stressful. You've got to be on the charts, you've got to kind of keep your eye on what's going on, you've got to be there to enter and exit your positions. If you're not there to enter and exit your positions, you're not going to be able to be a scalper. So first things first, really, if you've got a full-time job, or if you just haven't got time to be on the charts a lot of the time, scalping is probably not going to be for you. Okay, if you've got a full-time job, or if time isn't on your side, then swing trading or day trading is going to be something that you're going to get on better with. Okay, some people just don't have the mindset for swing trading. Some people do. Some people don't have the mindset for scalping like me. Some people do. As I say, for me, shorter time frames, it's just not something that fits with my personality, and it's not something that fits in with the time that I have available to trade. Okay, so I'm on the 4-hour chart here now, which means every one of these candlesticks represents 4 hours. Okay, and what I normally do, I'll analyze the charts, I'll mark up the charts with what I'm looking for, and I'll set a buy limit or a sell limit to enter a trade, regardless whether I'm there or not. As I say, I'll look at everything, find out exactly what I need to know. I'll enter a buy limit, sell limit, which means my position will automatically get entered into the market, regardless if I'm there or not, whether I'm out working, whether I'm out doing other bits and pieces. It just means that I don't have to sit and watch the charts all day. I've then got other pieces of software which manage that position for me. So it might set it at a break even, set my stop loss at break even after a certain number of pips, or after it's kind of, depending what's happening with structure and things like that. With scalping, you just cannot do this because the market moves so quickly. You're just not going to be in the same position to be able to set buy limits and sell limits and all the rest of it. You need to be there on the charts. You need to be, and ideally there on the charts in London and New York sessions, which is where most of the volatility and most of the volume comes into the market. So as I say, if you haven't got the time, swing trading is definitely something you should be looking at. If you've got more time and you want to be sat on the charts all day, then scalping is something that may be for you. So hopefully this video has kind of been helpful. As I say, swing trading is something that I do. The longer term trades is something that works for me, it works for my mindset, and it works for the time that I have available. So leave me a comment below, let me know what you think and what would work best for you in your life and what fits your lifestyle the best. And as I say, I'll talk to you again in another video real soon. Take care.